Hello and welcome. It's just Crafty Chantel. Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to share with you the Slimline pocket dies from Anna Griffin. So when I recently joined the Anna Griffin Finishing School group, I think she just changed the name. I realized that I had some things and didn't know really how to use them. So I realized I had these pocket embellishment cardstock die cuts, and I'll just flip through these real quick. So there's flowers, a couple of different styles of flowers, different embellishments, and so you'll see some of them just go on the card, and some of them, so there's these floral accents, and then there's this like card accents that can just slide down into the pockets of the cards. So there's a couple of different designs that I kind of have all mixed up, like this flower can slide down into a pocket. Then there's a couple of tags here that can also slide down into pockets. So I've had these pocket embellishment die cuts for I don't even know how long and how or why I bought them, but once I realized I had them, once I got into the finishing school and saw these slimline pocket dies, the class form, I realized what they go for, or what those were used for. So here I have the two slimline, slimline pocket dies, and today I'm going to use them with these also Anna Griffin Slimline die set. There's a couple of, I think there were 4 different types in this kit, so I had about 4 different types of slimline dies, and then I have some other stuff. So let me just show you real quick the cards that I made. So this is the pocket die, this one right here. And then these are some of the Anna Griffin pieces, but also using the Crafter's Companion Caring Thoughts. So this back layer is the vellum. And then you see I added the decoupage flowers. And then the idea with the pocket dies is that these pieces should be able to come out. So here is a piece that slides out, just some embellished cards or some embossed cardstock using this Anna Griffin embossing folder. It's a border trim. This is from like the scrapbooking set. And then this other piece here is just the vellum with some flowers, and then just a little tag, and then the front says your kindness warms my heart. So it's just a card with a pocket that has some cute little items inside of it. So that's one that I made. And then here's another one using some of the pieces from the Carte Noir collection. So here's the card base, and then we have the gold layer, the black layer, and a flower from Anna Griffin. Then we have one of the pieces from the pocket die embellishments. This slides out. And then we also have a tag from the pocket die embellishment that slides out. So I did this one in kind of shades of black and red and gold, and then this one is the second one that I did, and again it's using those the Caring Thoughts from Crafter's Companion. So let's regroup and we'll do one on camera. Okay, and Anna Griffin is always really good about giving us an inspiration sheet. So she uses a lot of background flowers, and she has the golds with the embossing folders, and then she just has some kind of random things pushed inside of the card, and then the embellishment along with some flowers. So we are going to start with a slimline card. This is from the Sympathy Slimline card kit that Anna Griffin put together maybe a year ago. And then we can do a gold layer, and we can do a floral layer. So that one is just a little bit brighter. Then I also have a vellum layer just in case. We'll do the pocket with this blue. And then I think I'd like to do something that sticks out with this color and maybe this color. So as an embellishment, we can do something like this. And then as another embellishment, we can match up those flowers with our things that stick out. And then two other alternatives that we have are these two embellishments from the pocket die cutout kit, and perhaps this one that's kind of in a gray shade, or maybe even the pinky ones. We'll see how it comes together. The embellishments, you know, those are usually at the end anyway. So let's just get started with our die cutting. Again, I'm going to use this Griffin Slimline frame. And then I will probably go ahead and emboss a couple of these as well. And I will just get started with my Gemini Pro plates over here. I should be able to get all three. So I'll use these Griffin Slimline embossing folders. Oh, and we have to do our pocket. Now, on these score lines, I just like to go over them one more time with my pen, just to make sure that they're just deep enough to make the fold easier. It just keeps it from looking crooked once it gets on. Okay, so now we can start working with our embellishments. So we have that to slip in our pocket. And let's see. Maybe I just want to. So this is a sticker, so it needs to go on something. Okay, what do you think about that? So what we used was the Sympathy card kit, the card from the Slimline card from the Sympathy card kit. Then we have a gold layer embossed with the Slimline embossing folders. The two that we used are called, this one is Slimline Flourish, and this one is Slimline Georgette Lace. Very pretty. I have not used those before. They're in my need to make a video on these. Then we have one pull out. This is an old border sticker from Anna Griffin, and this would make like a nice bookmark. And then we have another pull out from the pocket dies. So just the flowers that are kind of consistent with the flowers in the second paper pad. And you could write something sentimental on the back, a scripture or something of your choice. And then we have another pull out. This one could also be embossed. It could also have a sentiment on it, or it could just stay blank as a bookmark. And then we just used one of the embellishments from the Anna Griffin kit. So this was really, really fun to make, and they're actually some very, very beautiful cards. Anna Griffin stuff is just naturally so beautiful. Lots of embellishments with her stuff. I do a lot with Crafter's Companion, but I equally have as much Anna Griffin stuff. But this is a stunning card kit. These are absolutely gorgeous. If you enjoyed this video, well, if I do say so myself, kind of tooting my own horn a little bit. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like, subscribe, share even. Also check us out on Instagram and Facebook at Just Crafty Chantel and Designs by Just Crafty Chantel. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day.